Hey, baby, look over here. See? Hi. Hey. Yeah. Pepe. Here. Baby. Joyce. Joyce. Yeah. Bye.
But it looks on TV like you're trying to get those passengers off the bus. Look, you gotta let me have one. Now, we went over the rules as an act of faith. We have an injured man here. The driver's been shot. Jack, now tell me that you have been shooting the passengers.
Hey!
I thought it was customary for police officers to, shoot the bad guys, huh? This man has no time. No one gets off. It'll grease the wheels with the money then and show a little charity. There's still going to be plenty of us to fill.
Hey.
Tell that wildcat behind the wheel not to slow down now. He won't even get a chance to play to death, and Jack?
Yeah.
Don't slip.
Yeah.
Daddy. Daddy. Lily. Lily.
Thì nhắc luôn.
Để mà to về nè. Nhắc một cái là Ê, sao ơi? Ai? Ủa?